Have you ever wondered how successful people stay on top? Or have you ever had an event and thought it could have been better? Well, in this video, we'll talk about the importance of having a plan and how visualization can help you when you're planning. So let's get into this video. Hey, I'm Alicia and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, let me tell you a little bit of something about my YouTube channel. I like to share my stories and experiences and hopes that, you are inspired to follow your dreams. So welcome, and I hope you subscribe and stick around because we're talking about planning and visualization in this video. Let's get into the content. In this video, we are going to talk about the importance of planning, and we'll also talk about visualization, what it is, and why is it important when you plan. And then later on, I'll give you some examples of just how I use visualization in my businesses and my personal life. So stick around for some good stuff, and let's get to it. So first, let's talk about planning. People always talk about having a goal, but a goal without a plan is just a wish. A plan outlines actionable steps, strategies that you need to reach your goal. Also highlights a timeline in which the goal can be achieved. Without a plan in place, your goal remains abstract and it lacks structure necessary to execute. A plan transforms a goal from a mere idea to a concrete roadmap to success. The Bible talks about faith without works is dead. And that means in order for your faith to be active, there has to be works. And for the relevance of this video, that work is the plan of action or steps that you can take to get to that hope for. So having a plan is very important if you want to reach your goals. To act without a plan, now that can lead to chaos, and we don't want that. It can also lead to forgetfulness. You just might forget what you're doing. Now let's talk about visualization, and that could be a tongue twister. Basically, visualization is when an individual creates a mental picture in their mind of what they plan to do or what outcome you want to receive. So picturing the end goal. Visualization helps clarify a clear path to how you're going to achieve your goals. Visualization can also enhance your productivity and your focus. Visualization doesn't always have to be a mental picture, as I said before. That helps. But it could be photographs, it could be data, it could be physical items that help you give visual to what you're doing. Also, it doesn't always have to be imagery. It could be a list or a description of things. It could be questions that help you put things together. All those things can aid in creating a visual of your end goal. If we take it a step forward, visualization can help in manifesting things into your life by vividly imagining the things that you're dreaming about. It helps align your thoughts and your emotions, and it creates a sense of expectancy and confidence that you will receive it, and ultimately it'll guide your actions towards realizing your desires. And so visualizing is a very important step in a lot of different aspects of life. So if I were you today, I'd start thinking about it, getting a mental picture, or writing it down. That way it can help it come to fruition. So now let's talk about different ways that I use visualization in my businesses. So back when I was a cake decorator, I still make cakes. I always prefer that my clients sent me an inspirational image of what they wanted the cake design to look like. This acted as my visual aid, and that visual aid helped me to plan the work that I needed to perform. At times when I only got a description of what they wanted the cake to look like, I still found myself coming up with a mental visual of what the end design was like using that description. That helped me plan out the order of tasks that I had to complete when doing the design. Another example of me using visualization is when I want to travel somewhere new. I'm old-fashioned. I still look at a map to map out where exactly I'm going, what streets it's by. Like, I can't use a GPS at all. I hate those last minute directions. And maybe it's because I have a heavy foot. I drive fast, okay? That's why I don't like last minute directions. I want to look and see where I'm going, and I want to get there. I don't want to wait for this GPS to tell me to turn left right when I'm about to pass the street. And lastly, I am currently practicing visualization, creating these videos for you. Look, I'm not fortunate enough to have a video editor, so I have to plan out, visualize each step of this process. I have to plan out what topics, I have to plan out what images to use, I have to plan out what outfit to wear, what's happening with my hair, and the whole 9 yards of what these videos is going to look like for you. So I hope I'm doing a good job. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about visualization, in my ebook, I touch on visualization and I talk about how I used it during my manifestation of my promotion in my professional career. And so if you're interested in reading my ebook, Evolution to Success, Proven Tactics to Drive Your Bottom Line, click the link below in the video description and you can check it out. And so, yeah, please like and share this video and subscribe for more content like this. I just want to thank you again for stopping into this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.